Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Wi-Fi settings. In order to do that, just call up for the notification panel by swiping down. Next, tap and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut. Here choose the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share the password of. Go to the network details. And here just tap on this share icon, and as you will see at the bottom of your display, the Wi-Fi password will appear. In my case it's hard reset. Or if you want to directly connect to the Wi-Fi network with the help of this QR code that has been generated, just take the second any other device, open up the QR code scanning app. In my case I'll just use the standard Google Lens application, frame this QR code, wait for the application to recognize it, then tap on it, and as you will see, this join network button will appear. So click on it, and as you can see right now, our second phone that we have just read this QR code with is being successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. As you can see, it already connected to it. And that was it for this video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave your like, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye.